the conducting system of the human heart. Human heart is, or the role of the human heart is rhythmic contraction and relaxation. The- During the rhythmic contraction and relaxation means alternate contraction, systolic phase of the auricles and ventricular phase of the contraction, or systolic phase of the ventricles also. That means the events which are played during each heartbeat is known as cardiac cycle, and that cardiac cycle is controlled with the help of conducting system of the heart. The conducting system of heart is initiated or started from the SA node, or the sinoatrial node, or sinoauricular node. That SA node or sinoatrial node is also known as pacemaker. SA node is also known as pacemakers because it regulates the pause or the gap between two heartbeats. The space between the two heartbeat is regulated with the help of SA node, that is sinoatrial node. What is sinoatrial node? That it is a special type of nodal tissues. When the conducting system of heart is conducting system of heart is regulated or conducted with the help of a special tissues of the heart, special tissues, and that special tissues are known as SA node, AV node, bundle of His, and Purkinje's fibers. Means the conducting system is controlled with the help of that nodal tissues which are present in the structure of wall of heart. SA node is present in the right auricle chamber, where the superior vena cava opens in the right auricular chamber. Means at the base of the superior vena cava, or where the superior vena cava enters, the opening of superior vena cava is present in the wall of right auricles, is present near to the SA node or sinoatrial node. That SA node is made up from a special type of conducting tissues which is also known as nodal tissues. That SA node has the speciality to generate the electrochemical impulses which are essential or which are needed for the auricular contraction. Means these are essential for the phase of contraction or phase of systole. Means when the SA node is stimulated, it generates the electrochemical impulses or waves of contraction in the wall of auricular chamber. Means the wall of auricular chamber, which mainly consists of cardiac muscles, that is myocardium. And these waves are spread in the right auricle as well as on the left auricle's wall with the help of the cardiac muscle fibers present in it. There is the SA node which generates such type of waves, that is electrochemical impulses or waves of contractions are spread on the auricular chamber with the help of cardiac muscle fibers. Out of these waves, some of the waves are received in the other nodal tissue which is present at the side, at the corner of right auricular chamber. Means where the right auricle and left auricles are the right auricle and left auricles are walls are meet to each other, and that auriculoventricular node receives some of the electrochemical impulses or waves of contraction which are generated from SA node or sinoatrial node. That auriculoventricular node or AV node undergoes the phase of stimulation. It stimulates due to the presence of wave of contraction or electrochemical impulses which are generated by SA node. After the stimulation of auriculoventricular node, it also generates, after the stimulation, it also generates the electrochemical impulses or waves of contraction to the bundle of His and Purkinje's fibers in the wall of ventricular chamber. In the wall of the ventricular chamber, which mainly consists of myocardium or cardiac muscle fibers or cardiac muscle cells. That after the stimulation, AV node generates such like type of waves, and these waves are then transferred into the bundle of His. Means here the bundle of His has two branches. One branch enters into the right side of right ventricle, and the left branch of the bundle of His enters into the left wall of left ventricle. And with the help of these waves, the bundle of His and Purkinje's fibers forwards these waves into the cardiac muscles or myocardium or cardiac muscle fibers, and the ventricular chamber undergoes the phase of contraction or phase of systole. That time, what happens during the stimulation of SA node, AV node, and bundles of His. The first of all, when the SA node stimulates, it undergoes, the auricular chamber is stimulated by spreading the electrochemical impulses or waves of contraction on the auricular chambers through the cardiac muscle fibers. After the stimulation, these muscle fibers undergoes the phase of contraction, and the blood which is present in the right auricle is pushed into the right ventricle, and the blood which is present in the left auricle is pushed into the chamber of left ventricle. That happens when the auricular chamber undergoes the phase of contraction or phase of systole. Then after completion of the auricular contraction, the AV node stimulates, and after its stimulation, it also regenerates the electrochemical impulses or waves of contraction, and that waves of contraction are spread into the wall of ventricular chamber with the help of bundle of His and Purkinje's fibers. Purkinje's fibers are nothing but the branches and the rebranches of bundles of His. And with the help of that bundle of His and Purkinje's fibers, the waves which are coming from AV node are spread on the wall of ventricular chamber in which cardiac muscles are present. After the stimulation of that cardiac muscles, that cardiac muscle undergoes the phase of contraction, and when the ventricular contraction takes place, the blood which is present in the right ventricle is pushed or forward or forced into the pulmonary trunk, and it is forced towards the lobes of lungs for its oxygenation. At the same time, the pure blood which is present in the left ventricle is forced into the systemic aorta and distributes to all over the body parts. And with the help of such spreading of electrochemical impulses or waves of contraction, the conducting system of the heart is completed. During the time of during the time of rhythmic contraction of heart, that is alternate contraction and relaxation, that is systolic phase and diastolic phase. Such phase, rhythmic contraction and relaxation phase, are completed in 72 times per minute. Means 72 times is the normal heartbeat rate in the human being. And during each ventricular contraction, from the left ventricle, 70 ml blood is ejected towards the front parts of the body. And in 1 minute, the total 5,040 ml, means approximately 5 liters of blood is ejected by heart during each minute. That volume of the blood which is ejected by heart during in each minute is known as cardiac volume. That's about the conducting system of the heart.